Dear students, good morning. Now we move on to next chapter number 5, exponents. Recall that we may write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Here we call 5 is the base and 4 is the exponent or index or power. This notation is called exponential form or power notation. Now we come to the laws of exponents related to rational numbers. For any rational number a by b and positive integers m and n, we have number 1 a by b the whole power m multiplied by a by b the whole power n. Here the base are same, so we have to add the powers, which is equal to a by b the whole power m plus n. Number 2 a by b the whole power m divided by a by b the whole power n. Here the base is same, again it is in division, so we have to subtract the powers. A, which is equal to a by b the whole power m minus n. The condition is if m is greater than n. Number 3 a by b the whole power m divided by a by b the whole power n. Again the base is same, it is in division, so we have to subtract the powers. Only the condition is m is less than n. So the answer will be a by b the whole power m divided by a by b the whole power n, which is equal to 1 by, we are writing the reciprocal, 1 by a by b the whole power n minus m. So condition already I told, m is less than n, that is m is smaller than the n power. Next, number 4 a by b the whole power m and the whole power n. So here the two powers on this one, so we have to multiply the powers. Answer is equal to a by b the whole power mn. Number 5 a by b the whole power minus n. Here the power is negative, so we have to change it as a positive, which is equal to 1 by a by b the whole power n, which is equal to b power n divided by a power n is equal to b by a the whole power n. Number 6 a by b the whole power 0. Any rational number the power 0 is always 1, which is equal to 1. Number 7 a by b the whole power minus 1. Here the power is negative, so we have to write the reciprocal b by a. Now we move on to exercise 5a. Question number 1. Write each of the following in power notation. Here expanded notation is given. Now we have to see here 5 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 7 multiplied by 5 7. 4 times it is multiplied, which is equal to 5 by 7 the whole power 4. 4 times, so the power will be 4. Number 2 minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8, which is equal to minus 8 the whole cube. 3 times multiplied, so power will be 3. Number 2 express each of the following in power notation. Here it is given there 25 by 36. Now we have to multiply it. Now take the prime factorization, that is 25, 5 5s are 25, 36, 6 into 6. Here 5 how many times multiplied? 2 times. So 5 squared divided by 6 squared, which is equal to 5 by 6 the whole squared. Number 2 minus 1 by 128. 128, I am doing the prime factorization here. Prime factorization how many times 2 comes? That is 7 times. That is minus 1 by 2. 2 7 times I have written, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 the whole power 7. Question number 3. Express each of the following as a rational number. Here the question is 2 by 3 the whole power 5. So first we have to expand it. 5 times 2 we have to write it in a numerator, and 5 times 3 in the denominator, which is equal to, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator. The answer will be 32 by 243. Number 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole power 5. The same way we have to do it. Minus 1 5 times I have expanded, and denominator 5 times 2 multiplied. So the answer will be, first you have to multiply the sign. Here the power is odd number, so the minus into minus, so that means that will be 5 times minus, you have to multiply it, that is equal to minus 1 by 32. Next, number 3 minus 1 the whole power 9. So here the power is odd number, so a negative sign is there, so your answer will also get the negative sign, that is equal to minus 1. Number 4. 4 to the power of minus 1. Here the power is negative, so we have to write the reciprocal 1 by 4. The formula is laws of exponents is a by b, the whole power minus 1 is equal to b by a. Number 5. Minus 2 by 3 the whole power minus 1. So again the power is negative, so we have to write it as a positive 1, so reciprocal 3 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. Why I am changing? I am putting the minus sign in the numerator. Now question number 4. Find the value of each of the following. The question is 8 to the power of 0. I already told a by b the whole power 0. Any rational number the power will be 0 is equal to always 1. So 8 power 0 is equal to 1. Number 2. 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of 0. So 4 power 0 is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Number 3. 6 power 0 multiplied by 7 power 0, which is equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Be careful with the sign. In the previous question it is plus, here it is in multiplication. Number 5. Simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. Number 1. 3 by 2 the whole power 4 multiplied by 1 by 5 the whole squared. First we have to see there, using the laws of exponents can we simplify or not. Here the base are different and powers are different, so we have to expand it. That is 3 times 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 81, and 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16, multiply by 1 by 5 square, that is 25. Then can be ordinary multiplication, fraction of multiplication, we can cancel it, but we cannot do anything here. So we have to multiply the numerator, that is equal to 81 divided by 16 into 25 is equal to 400. So answer is 81 by 400. Number 2. Minus 1 by 2 the whole power 5 multiply by 2 cube multiply by 3 by 4 the whole square. So first we expand it. Minus 1 5 times divided by 5 times 2 multiply by 2 cube 3 times and 3 by 4 2 times. Then you cancel it according to the numbers general calculation, that is multiplication of fraction, you have to apply it here. First you multiply the sign. Here 5 times the minus sign is multiplying, so the answer will be negative. Here it is an odd number, so negative. Then 9 by 64. Number 3. Minus 3 by 4 the whole cube minus 5 by 2 the whole cube, put it in the curly bracket, multiply by 4 squared. So minus 3 by 4 the whole cube, expand it, that is minus 21 by 64, minus, then minus 5 by 2 the whole cube, expand it and multiply by 16. Then here you just remove the bracket, minus 27 by 64, minus into minus is plus 125 by 8 and multiply by 16. The brackets are very important. Now you take LCM and add the fractional number like this, add the rational numbers and you simplify it, multiply by 16, then simplify, the answer will be 973 by 4. Next question number 4. 4 by 9 the whole power 6 multiply by 4 by 9 the whole power minus 4. Already in the beginning of these questions I told that first we have to see the using of the laws of exponents can be solved or not. Here the base are same, so we have to, here it is in a multiplication, so we have to add the power. So 4 by 9 the whole power 6 plus in the bracket minus 4. Then you remove the bracket here, 6 minus 4, that is equal to, using the integers rules, 4 by 9 the whole squared, and you have to expand it 16 by 81 because the question is write as a rational number, so you have to bring it in that form. Number 5. 4 by 3 the whole power minus 3 multiply by 4 by 3 the whole power minus 2. Here the base are same, it is in multiplication, so we have to add the power. So minus 3 plus in bracket minus 2. The next step, you remove the brackets, both are negative, so we have to add the powers and put negative sign, that is 4 by 3 the whole power minus 5. So the next step is, if the power is negative, so we have to change it as a positive one, so we have to write a reciprocal 3 by 4 the whole power 5. Then you expand it 243 by 1024. Each step is important, don't skip any steps here, so one by one you do it. Number 6. express each of the following as a rational number. Minus 2 the whole power minus 5. So power is negative, so we have to write the reciprocal 1 by minus 2 the whole power 5, which is equal to 1 by, expand it, minus 32, which is equal to minus 1 by 32. I am changing the negative sign into the numerator. Number 2, minus 3 the whole power minus 1 multiplied by 1 by 3 the whole power minus 1. So first step, say, that is the power should be positive. We have to change it, the power, as a positive one. So 1 by minus 3 multiplied by 3 by 1. So ordinary multiplication of rational number, you do it, cancel it, whatever it is, which is equal to minus 1. Number 3, 3 by 2 the whole power minus 1 divided by minus 2 by 5 the whole power minus 1. Here the base are different, only the powers are same here. So first we have to change the power as a positive one, that is 2 by 3 divided by minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3 multiplication, again the multiplication, that is division of rational number. How do you doing? Same way, multiply by reciprocal 2 by minus 5. Then you multiply the numerator, minus 4 divided by 15. Answer is minus 4 by 15. Number 7, simplify. Minus 1 by 4 the whole squared and to the power of minus 2 and to the power of minus 1. There are 3 powers 1 by 1. So first, according to the a by b the whole power m, the whole power n, we are multiplying the powers. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So minus 1 by 4 the whole power 4. So you have to expand it, that is here the power is even number. So the minus into 4 times, if you multiply negative sign, you will get a positive sign. Then 1 by 256. 4 times you are expanding 4, that is answer is 256. So whenever doing all those questions, first you multiply the sign and then multiply the numbers. Number 2, minus 3 by 2 the whole cube divided by minus 3 by 2 the whole power 6. So first we have to see the base, both are same, it is in division, so we have to subtract the powers. So minus 3 by 2 the whole power 3 minus 6, which is equal to 1 is positive and another one is negative, so we have to subtract it and put the greater number sign. So minus 3 by 2 the whole power minus 3. Here the power is negative, change it as a positive one, so reciprocal minus 2 by 3 the whole power 3, which is equal to, here the power is odd number, so 3 times if you multiply negative sign, you will get a negative sign, so minus 8 by 27. Number 8, by what number should minus 30 the whole power minus 1 be divided to get 6 power minus 1? First we have to frame the equation. According to the equation, what number should this be divided? First we have to identify this is minus 30 the whole power minus 1 is a dividend. So minus 30 the whole power minus 1 divided by x is equal to 6 power minus 1. So for making the sentence, for making the statement, you will get 1 mark. Then power is negative, change as a process, that is reciprocal, minus 1 by 30 multiplied by 1 by x is equal to 1 by 6. Now you keep 1 by x on the left hand side, which is equal to 1 by x. Here it is in multiplication, so here comes division, so reciprocal multiply by minus 30 by 1. You cancel it, 1 by x is equal to minus 5, but x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 1 by minus 5. Don't forget to write this statement, because 1 by x you are finding here. Now we need x is equal to 1 by minus 5. Next we move on to next question number 9. Find x such that 3 by 5 the whole cube multiplied by 3 by 5 the whole power minus 6, which is equal to 3 by 5 the whole power 2x plus 1. Here the base are same, it is in multiplication, so we have to add the power. So we will write it in this way, 3 by 5 the whole power 3 plus in bracket minus 6, which is equal to 3 by 5 2x plus 1. 3 by 5 using the process minus 3 is equal to 3 by 5 2x plus 1. Here bases are same, so the powers are equal. Now we have to equate the powers. 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then solving the equation, 2x is equal to minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. After finding this answer, you can apply here and you can check your verify your answer also. Number 10, simplify. 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 25 divided by 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 6 to the power of 5. Now we have to see that here the base is 3, 5 and 10. Now we are bringing this one 10 in the base of, that is 5 into 2 or whatever it is. 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 into 2 to the power of 5. I am splitting this is 10. I have written here 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 25 is 5 squared divided by 5 to the power of 7 into 6. 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Then you write it separately. 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 squared divided by 5 to the power of 7 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. Then you will cut it as usual, multiplication, that is division of a rational number, you do it. Then here left is 5 to the power of 5 and 5 to the power of 2. That is in multiplication, base are same, so we have to add the power, which is equal to 5 to the power of 5 plus 2 divided by 5 to the power of 7, which is equal to 5 power 7 divided by 5 to the power of 7, so cancel it, which is equal to 1. Number 11. Find the value of n when 8 into 2 to the power of n plus 2 is equal to 32. First we have to, it is in a composite number, we are bringing in the prime factors, that is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. 2 cube multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 2 is equal to 32. Also we have to do the prime factorization and then you find out 2 to the power of 5. Here the base are same, so we have to add the powers, it is in multiplication. So 2 to the power of 3 plus n plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 2 to the power of n plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. So here the both sides, the base are same, so we have to compare the powers. N plus 5 is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. Number 12. If 2 to the power of n minus 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of n minus 4 is equal to 1250. Find the value of n. First I am writing here 2 to the power of, first write the question here. I am separating here, the powers are multiplication, powers are the subtraction, so I write it as a division. 2 to the power of n divided by 2 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of n divided by 5 to the power of 4, which is equal to, I am doing the prime factorization, 1250. That comes 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2. Now I am writing here 2 to the power of n multiplied by 5 to the power of n, cross multiplication. 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 7 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4. Now I am here, the powers are same, only the base are different, so I have to multiply the base and I will put it the power same. 10 to the power of n is equal to, here both base are same, so we have to add the power, that is 5 to the power of 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of 8, which is equal to, here again the same, the base are different and powers are same, so multiply the base, that is 10 to the power of 8. So 10 to the power of n is equal to 10 to the power of 8. So base are same, so the power should be equal, so n is equal to 8. Now we move on to next exercise, that is expressing large numbers in standard form. A given number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 to the power of n, where k is a real number such that 1 less than or equal to k less than 10 and n is a positive integer. That means k represents only one digit, that is 1 onwards, 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the n is a positive integer. Here the power will be positive only. Now we move on to exercise 5b. Question number 1. Express each of the following numbers in standard form. Here the question is 538. According to the equation, that is one digit must be there in k, that is 5.38. The rest of the digits I put it after the decimal point. So how many digit I put it in the decimal part? That is 2, which is equal to 10 to the power of 2. So the answer is 5.38 multiplied by 10 square, 10 to the power of 2. Number 2, that is the number is given here in the same way, only one digit, that is the left hand side, that is the last most enter, that is last digits must be the k, that is only one digit, it is less than 10. So 8.2934, that are 6 zeros are there. So how many digits I put it in the decimal point? That is total 10 digits, which is equal to multiply by 10 to the power of 10. So I am just after the decimal point, we are writing the number. After that, the so many 6 zeros are there. So there is no value of that. So I am writing here 8.2934 multiplied by 10 to the power of 10. This is the standard form of the given question. Number 3. Distance between Earth and Moon is equal to, here it is given the 384,560 meter is given there. So how to write in a standard form? 3.84. After that 6 zeros are there. So 6 plus 2, 8. Multiply by 10 to the power of 8 meter. Here the unit is given. So you have to give the unit. So answer is 3.84 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8 meter. Number 4. Number of stars in a galaxy. That is 11 zeros. 1 after that 11 zeros are there. So 1 into 1, after that you will put the decimal point. After the decimal point, if the zeros are there, so there is no value. So I am writing here 1 into 10 to the power of 11. So these are the standard form of the large numbers. Now move to question number 2. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Here the question is 6,84,502. Now we will write it in a place value chart. How to write? That is here ones, tens, hundreds. You have studied this expanded form in class 3 onwards. But ones represents what? 10 to the power of 0. Tens represents 10 to the power of 1. 100 represents 10 to the power of 2. Thousands represents 10 to the power of 3. 10,000 represents 10 to the power of 4. Lakhs represents 10 to the power of 5. 10 lakhs represents 10 to the power of 6. Now I will put it, I will start from the right side, right corner, right digit first. 2, 0, 5, 4, 8, 6. Now, so 6,84,502 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 0. So you will write it, the expanded notation in this way. From exercise 5A and 5B, some questions are given as assignment. You go through the assignment and do it in a classwork copy.